Hello, my name is Tutu Abigail, and I'm a student in Ghana Telecom.
My name is Alex Nola, and I was into banking. I decided to become a developer. So, my background was in finance, obviously. And before I start with the demo, I just want to show you, or I just want you to think about two scenarios. Let me start with the first one, with Mikasa. Example, somebody wants to buy a property on Mikasa and propose to pay an installment. You don't want to go through the stress of telling the person, okay, you're going to pay into 4 installments, 5 installments, and others. You agree, probably, okay, I'm going to pay into this amount of installment. But you don't want to be pushing up, following the person around. So we decided to work on a payment system that is going to solve this problem, like this scenario, by making a request. And that's how come we came with rapid request. So you can actually send a couple of requests of different payment amounts to that customer, and the customer will just have to approve those transactions, and the payment is going to be sent to your account through our wallet. So we created a wallet that we call rapid request that was going to do that. So the second scenario, now imagine everybody, just imagine that you have to send money to 15 people. That's you alone, you have to send money to 50 people. 50 people, different amounts in one day. You realize that if it is mobile money, you have to take their number, enter the amount individually, have to do that, all those things individually, right? And stuff. It's a pain in the head, okay? This is pain on the head. So rapid request comes to solve that problem as well. So now imagine that instead of approaching the situation as in terms of many to one, as in you alone, sending payment to 50 people, and the 50 people can actually send a request to you alone. So which means that all you have to do is just click a button to say you approve or you reject, you approve or you reject based on the amount you have in your wallet. So let's go on with the video. Okay, so here we log in, and the first scenario, the wallet, if you can pause a little bit, the wallet does everything that any normal basic wallet does in Ghana or in the world, okay? Transactions from your account to somebody else's account who has an account with our mobile app, normal, basic. But what we changed was actually with the request. So we start by making a deposit in your wallet, okay? And you'll see all the amount with your expenses, okay? And it's part of a transaction as well. So now you want to transfer funds. This is just a basic transaction, transferring funds from your account to someone else's account. Obviously, if the person does not have an account, the person cannot be verified, right? So, which means that you can't make a mistake, okay? And the account here is in terms of email, okay? So we are going to, I sent from my account, money from my account to my colleague, my partner Abigail's account, and then she received the money. You can see the same amount that was sent is what she received. Now she's going to make a request, and this is what we are bringing in that is different from what is being done around. So she's going to make a request of 500 Ghana cedis to me for, in this case, for books, okay? That's the request she's going to make, the first request. And then I think she makes another request of, in this case, 200 Ghana cedis. For what purpose? For bags, okay? So she sent 2 fund requests to me, okay? Now, I can imagine a situation where there are 10 people like Abigail I need to pay, and I can't be doing this manually. So they're sending this request to me. They're sending this request to me, and me just having to either approve or reject. In this case, in the first case, I approved. In the second case, I rejected. And the person who sent the request will also receive the same status on his platform. So we also have a report platform and then the voice platform. The voice platform uses AI to actually get status of all the transactions, everything that you do, or even navigate. So for people who don't want to go through the process of clicking. You can use your voice and still be able to do all these transactions. So that's our app.